Orere Abithaa a borithi aria maragurarire mwena wa Githumo mokite mucii wa Nairobi kwamukira urigitani. Mwaria wa borithi Charles Owino augite ni mahitia muingi gutharikira borithi. Owino augite ona riria maandamano macacite atia ni mugaru na watho kuguraria muthigari uria wira wake ni kurangira muingi hamwe na kuiga thayu na watho.
I want to ask any youth that is involved in any demonstration, whether that demonstration is lawful or unlawful, that you can never threaten the life of a police officer.
Mwena wa Siaya arurungani ni maronekanira makinyugutira borithi mahiga. Oho hathara cia mithemba itiganite ni cionekete guku bururi-ini kurumirira maandamano macio, guku mwaria wa thirikari Eric Kiraithe akiuga arurungani aya ni mekuerwo ikinya ria kiwatho wona mathi na mbere na kwagagia thayu wa bururi.
Let me put it very clearly. As I asked, will you allow the riots to continue? No. Riots? No. There is something which is allowed by the Constitution. There is demonstration, there is picketing, what else? But riots...
Ona gukiri uguo, Owino augite ruhonge rwa borithi no nginya rungithuthuria na gucirithia muthigari o wothe ukuruhanitio na gikuo kia mururungani hindi ya maandamano.
Whether you provoked us or not, it's unfortunate that life has been lost because we don't want any other Kenyan to lose his life. But every life that is lost, we follow the law. We open inquiry into the cause of death.
Ndumiriri kuma kwa IPOA yugite ni abitia uthuthuria Githumo, Migori, Homa Bay na icigo ingi kuria thigari cierikanite gukorwo ihuthirite hinya na kuhura arurungani. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.